तुझ्या विणे जगप कशे जीवित मजे मोगा मजा मारिया तू मोजी काटले हांव तुजो पाव
अरे सॉंग कित कोण बोलले किती ग्लीज हा
अरे बाबा आमचे पट्टा आसलो कित चोयत तूं मोबायलाचेर
हांव ह्या सॉंग चयतालो मोदी कोण बोलले
अरे अरे ह्या सॉंग क्रेझी मोगी फिल्मांतले हय आनी ह्या क्रेझी मोगी फिल्मांतली कांतरा म्युझिक डायरेक्टर कोण रे तूं सामकारा हो ते एलिसन गॉन्साल्वीस आनी तेगे ती कांतरां कंपोज केली ती म्हणल्याय कोणे हेण म्हणल्याय सॉरी मातसो हुस्कोच जाला हय आनी दुसरी सिंगर कोण वचय वो बेन हात तो हालना केसारी तो आहा केसारी
आणि ऍक्टिंग कोण केलं जाण तू हेणे जॉन 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 डिसिल्वा हेणे
फालुडा हालयता
खूप ट्विस्ट आशिल्ले मदीं ते कळनाशिल्लें ते मागीर जाणवपाक लागलें आनी मागीर कळ्ळें खूब फनी आशिल्ली आनी इवन खूब इमोशनल आशिल्ली पळोवपाक गेल्यार खूब बरो संदेश दिला ताणें आनी सगळ्यांची एक्टिंग खरेंच खूब बरी आशिल्ली
Both the dialects of character, the Devanagari dialect and the one which mostly the Catholic Muslim. So it shows the vibrancy of Goa.
Oh, it was an excellent movie. The actors were too good.
This is the first time I watched a Konkani movie, and I must say that this Konkani movie, particularly this Konkani movie, is much better than many Hindi movies and Marathi movies as well. There are many things which I like. First thing is the movie story. Basically, it keeps changing a lot, and it has a grip on the audience. So that is one good thing. Like there are many twists in the movie. Okay, so which makes it more interesting all the time. Another thing I like is the comedy is genuine comedy. There's no exaggeration or nothing, no overacting kind of thing. So all the actors did a very good job. There was no overacting at all, and very good acting. Okay, so very good direction. Overall, a subtle and a wonderful movie. I loved it completely.
Beautifully portrayed story. दुकां हाडली कॉमेडी दिली what else do we need आनी मोग जाल्यार हिसपा भायर आशिल्लो so crazy movies for all of you. Thank you.
Of course, everyone should see it. Everyone should see it. It's well directed and well done.
Those who watch will feel will enjoy it because of the many comic scenes it has.
Please do watch and support the Porn Youth because this is the best they can do for you. And you can do at least a small act of love by coming and watching the movie. Thank you.